In this video, we're going to learn how to solo an audio track, which means listening to only one audio track while all other audio tracks are muted automatically. This is very useful when you want to focus on a voice, music track, or sound effect without hearing everything else. Let's start. Look at the left side of the timeline where all your audio tracks are listed like A1, A2, A3, and so on. Next to each audio track, you'll see a button labeled S. This S button stands for solo. To solo an audio track, simply click the S button on that track. The moment you do this, only that audio track will be audible. All other audio tracks will be muted automatically. Now press play and you'll hear only the selected track. This is especially helpful when checking voice clarity, adjusting music levels, or identifying unwanted noise. So if you want to hear all tracks again, just click the S button once more to turn solo off. You can also solo multiple audio tracks at the same time by clicking the S button on more than one track. Soloing does not delete, remove, or permanently mute anything. It only affects what you hear during playback. And that's it. You now know how to solo an audio track and listen to only one track in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.